Well, today in the shop I'm not going to be building anything. I'm going to be unboxing a GoPro knockoff camera. Well, I bought this off of Amazon and its regular price is $60 to $70, and this was on sale for $36, $36. So I figured I'd give it a shot. It's a California Sugar action camera. It's 1080p Wi-Fi, and it comes with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. Just mounts out the yin-yang, it looks like. You got the zip ties. There's a little metal safety wire so you can hook onto things so if it falls it won't go tumbling. Okay, so I'm going to try to include some test footage from this little camera at the end of this video. Okay, it's a 2-inch LCD screen. It's a 170 degree angle, full HD 1080p. It's waterproof up to 30 meters, and it says it has an 1.5 hour battery life. Here it is. This one's a blue one. You've got your ports on the side. You've got your micro SD card slot, HDMI port, micro HDMI, and a USB port for charging, I guess. Your battery compartment's on the bottom. I guess that's supposed to come off. It's got this little battery, and it looked like you could buy this battery on Amazon for a little bit. Let's see. So it's kind of got a fisheye lens, which I don't have a GoPro, so I'll assume that that's typical. Anyway. Okay, well, it comes with this waterproof case. It's got mounts galore here. Oh, this looks like this is the camera mount. So it probably just goes. Yeah. There you go. That's the little camera mount there. This has a protective cover. This looks like it's it's a spare back piece. I guess if it breaks, is that an issue? Well, it must be enough of an issue for them to send a spare one, right? Well, for $35, I've not used it yet. I'm happy. We'll see if I'm still happy after using it, if that's a good $35. Yeah. Well, after using it a little bit, I'm pretty happy with it. I just wish I could get more of these mounting brackets for it. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. I'll probably use it as a dash cam some when I'm not running around fields with it. But yeah, that was $35 that I'm happy with. And I'll post a link in the description to the Amazon page where I've bought it. And last time I looked, it was in the $40 range now. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Well, if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe and check out some of these other videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.